those claws. Oh my!
Great.
Look at the claws, honey.
I know it.
Wish the door was locked. I was just getting ready to go out and raise that.
Move, on. Move.
Well, I'm taking a movie. His paw, that's a big bear. Look at that claw holding the bird feeder. Oh, honey, this is scary. I don't like it. Make him go away.
Look at that dirty bastard. The guy at Betty's stinks. Oh, I think I hear
Oh,
another.
God. Uh-oh. Uh-oh.
He can't. Oh, that was an air conditioner.
No, that's not the well.
Oh, that's a mama bear. Look, she's nursing.
Oh, no. Oh, my God. Oh, honey.